Okay, so today we're going to talk about equivalent fractions and decimals. So we're going to learn how to change our fractions into decimals. So we're going to, actually, this is going to be a review because we've done this last week. So it says, what are the different ways you can rewrite 3/4? So 3/4. Okay, so it says, another way we can write it, right, is 3 divided by my 4, right? And then also when I'm using this division right here, right, 3 is my top dog. Top dog always goes inside the house, remember? And then the wimpy dog gets kicked out, okay? So these are the different ways I can write my division, because remember, fractions mean division problems. So when I go into our next slide over here, it says in Montana there was 5/8 inch of rain. What is the decimal equivalent to the fraction of rain Montana received? So from here, I need to remember to change my 5/8 into a decimal, which is I'm gonna have to divide. So I'm gonna be using this division right here. So I'm gonna have to use the long division. So remember, my top dog 5 always goes inside the house. My 8 gets kicked out, so it has to be outside. Okay. So here, can 8 go into 5? Do I have an equal group? No. So I'm going to have to add my 0 right here. When that happens, remember, I need to add a decimal and another 0. So this decimal I need to bring up. Okay. I need to continue this division line. Okay. So now we're going to work with how many times can 8 go into 50, right? So then I'm going to go over with my 8. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 40, then 48, and then this is 1, 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 times 7, 42, 56, and then I'm just going to stop here, okay? So here, right, how many times can 8 go into 50? So that's going to be closest to this one, because if I go to 56, it goes over and I cannot use it, okay? So now I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times. So 8 times 6 is 48. I'm going to subtract, and I'm going to get, so remember here I can't subtract, so I need to borrow from my neighbor. Borrow 10, 5 becomes a 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. But to continue my division, I need to add another 0, bring it down. So how many times can 8 go into 20? And that is 1, 2 times. And this is 16. I subtract, I need to borrow right here. This 2 becomes a 1. 10 minus 6 becomes a 4. 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. Again, I need to extend this line, continue my division. So I'm only going to add up to 3 zeros. That's all to where I want to stop at. Okay, so how many times can 8 go into 40? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So my decimal equivalent is going to be 0.625 thousandths. Okay, because remember, this is my tens, this one's my hundredths, and this one is my thousandths. So TH. Okay, and move on to example number 2.